Follow the line, son. Truck stuck. Oh shit, there's something going on up here on the left side. I'm gonna get off. Too many cars over here not going anywhere. Oh, it's nothing. It's just people scared. Oh, it's out of here. It's just gonna not go because people are scared. Are you for real? The fucking truck is not going? What are you afraid of? What the fuck is that about? People are so fucking scared. Just drive the fucking car. Lightning. This is my route, motherfuckers. I know where the turns are. That's right, motherfuckers. This is my shit. This is my shit. Open road in this bitch. See? See? Oh. Slowness. Alright, here we go. Another problem.